Ayan yung ating pechay na ating harvest. Ayan. Ihalo natin sa monggo. Monggo.
Yay!
Ayan. May pang-ulam tayo. Yeah, you want to help Mama?
Yeah.
Okay. Mama. Oops. I think, can you go get the scissor, please?
Okay.
Go get the scissor. Yan yung ating na-harvest.